What's going on, you guys? My name is Kaden, you can call me KL, and today I am meal prepping burrito bowls. I often find myself spending a lot of money on burritos at like Chipotle or the local taco truck, and it's a lot of money. It adds up. So I wanted to make some burrito bowls and show you guys how I do it. All right, I got my vegetables prepped. Oven is heating up, and I'm gonna roast them. Alright, so I got everything in my Tupperwares. The only thing left to do is cook the chicken. I got my cast iron skillet heating up right now. That way I can cook it in that and then pop that in the oven. I don't have to do a bunch of transferring or a bunch of dishes. That's great. And then after the chicken, or while that's cooking, I guess, I will cut up my limes and get my cilantro ready for the garnish. Alright, so I cook my chicken in the pan about halfway through, and then I pop it in the oven at 400 for 8 to 12 minutes. Alright, our chicken is basically cooked halfway through. You can see the white creeping up the sides. Ooh, look at that golden skin. This is perfect every time. The chicken is super juicy and delicious and full of lots of flavor. Alright, and there you have it. Super simple, delicious. Macros for this recipe are pretty good, actually. This is with cheese and sour cream and everything included. I may add some avocado when I go to eat these just to up the fat a little bit. It is 15.5 grams of fat, 75 grams of carbohydrates, and 63 grams of protein. I added all my ingredients into MyFitnessPal and created a recipe. Super easy to do. If you guys don't know how to do it, let me know. I can make a video about that. But I just adjust my measurements every time I make these meals again. That way I don't have to re-enter all the ingredients every single time I cook. I just adjust for the weight of the chicken or the rice or whatever, and that way I know that I'm eating healthy. And I kind of just eyeball these things. I just do the servings. So I did 3 servings and I just eyeballed everything. So I may not get these exact macros every time, but when I eat all 3 of these meals, it will all equal out. So I'm not too worried about it. But if you're really stressed out and OCD about it, why not measure everything out in each individual Tupperware? I just find that that's a lot of work. So yeah, I hope you guys make this recipe and enjoy, and be sure to give me a thumbs up, like my video, follow my page, whatever all those things that YouTubers say. I don't know, I'm not very smooth. But this was fun. Peace, guys.